friends, hope you are doing well. You are all fine and happy. Today we will talk about the speed test in this video. It's very easy and simple way how to check the speed of your internet on mobile phone and on laptop and PC is same procedure. What you need, just Google Chrome. Here you can see you just need Google Chrome to test your speed. Other browser can also be work. So let's go. Just open Chrome. Here you can see what you have to do is, so click on search bar and type speed test. So I just type S. So here is speed test. First option you can see, hit click on speed test. So you can see first www.speedtest.net by Okla. So hit click on this first website. Now you can see it's something pop up like this, and here is the button, push button go. So you can see the exact speed of your internet you have. So here you can see a meter. So it's 9 point something 9 Mbps speed, approximately 10 Mbps speed we have. Sometimes it's load on your internet, so it's show a little bit less speed, but sometime it will tell approximately speed you are getting. It's depend on users, how many users are using the internet. So this is the very easy and quick way how to test the internet speed. I hope this video will help you. Take care. Thank you.